Welcome to Fleet Response. First stop, our lobby, where Katie's ready to greet you. Let's get started.
Hi, come on in. Welcome to our Hudson building. We officially completed the space in August of 2021. Since then, we've been hard at work making sure that your drivers stay on the road. So take a look around, and if you need any help or get a little turned around, don't hesitate to reach out.
Check out our award wall. Proud to be recognized 8 times as a top workplace by the Cleveland Plain Dealer.
At Fleet Response, giving back is at the heart of what we do. Our philanthropy wall is a testament to the causes we support and the impact we strive to make.
We welcome you to the Cleveland Cafe. Grab a snack, enjoy some coffee, and take in the rock and roll vibe. Here's the Flats, our flexible meeting space. Whether it's a big presentation or a company brunch, we've got room for it all. Stay active in our fully equipped gym with TVs, showers, and everything you need to break a sweat. Here you can see the first floor departments. Client engagement, IT, business analysts, and accounting all make sure that the company is running smoothly. And here's where the magic happens. Our call center, claims, and adjusters teams working diligently to keep everything running smoothly. Interested in joining our team? It's easy to apply. Head to fleetresponse.com, click on About, then Careers, and select View Jobs in the bottom left-hand corner. Take the next step in your career with Fleet Response. We can't wait to welcome you.